Flowcharts. A flowchart is a type of graphical diagram that represents an algorithm. Flowcharts are used in analyzing, designing, documenting, or managing a process or program in various fields. Symbols used in flowcharts. Different symbols are used to draw different types of flowcharts. Symbol, name, description. Oval, start or stop. It is used to show the start and stop points of the flowchart. It usually contains the words start or stop. Rectangle, process. It shows a process or action step. Parallelogram, input or output. It represents information entering or leaving the system, that is, input and output. Diamond, decision. It indicates a question or branch in the process flow. It is used when there are two options, yes or no. Arrow, flow line. It shows the direction in which the process flows. Rules to draw flowcharts. You must follow these basic rules while drawing a flowchart. Maintain the direction of the flow from left to right or top to bottom. Only one flow line should come out from a process box. Only one flow line should enter a decision box, but two flow lines should leave the decision box. Ensure that the flowchart has a logical start and end. Look at the flowchart to calculate simple interest. Start. Read P for principal, R for rate, T for time. Calculate. SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. Print SI. Stop. Tech funda. Flowcharts were originally used in businesses in the 1920s to improve efficiency. They helped companies visualize workflows and identify bottlenecks or unnecessary steps, making it easier to streamline their operations.